How to fix Chrome memory leak and reduce high RAM usage on Windows 10. To fix Chrome memory leak and reduce high RAM usage, you may try, Method 1, block flash on Google Chrome. Method 2, update Google. Chrome. Method 3, disable unnecessary or unwanted extensions. Method 4, try one-tab Chrome extension. Method 5, disable hardware acceleration. Method 6, clear temporary files. Method 7, use Chrome Cleanup tool and run the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide so you can effectively detect and clean potential malware. Method 8, back up your Chrome profile and personal data, then reset Chrome settings.